Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken bone broth. First, you will need approximately 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can be from a whole roasted chicken or raw. Make sure to rinse them well under cold water to remove any lingering impurities. Next, prepare your aromatics by roughly chopping 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. These simple ingredients form the foundation of a rich and flavorful broth. Now, let's get cooking. Place your prepared chicken bones and chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Pour in enough cold water to cover all the ingredients by about 1 inch. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. During the first hour, carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface, ensuring a clearer broth. The key to a deeply flavorful and nutritious bone broth is a long, slow simmer. Allow your broth to cook for a minimum of 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar at the beginning. This helps extract valuable minerals from the bones. Remember, maintain a very low simmer, never a rolling boil. Check occasionally and add more water if necessary to keep all the bones fully submerged. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, it's ready for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables, keeping only the golden liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.